Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to move Apple Cash to your Apple Card. Start now by opening Wallet and confirming both balances. Once done, tap Apple Cash to view your current balance and recent activity so you know how much you can apply. Make sure your Apple Card is set as a payment method in Wallet and that your Apple ID sign-in requires Face ID or passcode. This prevents failed authorizations. Now, with balances visible and security confirmed, proceed to the payment flow inside Wallet without leaving the app. Now tap your Apple Card in Wallet and choose Pay to begin. Select Apple Cash as the funding source. You may need to tap Change or More to pick it. Enter the exact dollar amount you want to apply. Partial payments are fine. Then review the card balance and transaction summary. Once reviewed, authorize the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Apple will confirm the transfer immediately. If the app shows pending, wait a minute and refresh Wallet to see the updated balance. Finish by confirming the payment posted to your Apple Card and that Apple Cash decreased accordingly. Check the transaction in Wallet and your Apple Card statement. If the payment fails, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, your Apple ID is signed in and verified, and your Apple Cash balance covers the amount. Inadequate funds often cause declines. If issues persist, sign out and back into Wallet or contact Apple support. Otherwise, wait 10 to 15 minutes and retry the exact steps to complete the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.